In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid, and we're going to be using one of my color-coded wig caps. So Alicia here is wearing the waterfall braid wig cap. On all my wig caps, yellow, orange, and red are always going to represent the main strands. We're going to be picking up hair along the side, dark pink, light pink, so you know how much hair to pick up. The top on the right-hand side will be your blues, dark blue, light blue, and on the left-hand side, I chose purple, so we're going to have dark purple, light purple. So let's get started on the braiding. So your main braid will always be yellow, orange, and red. Yellow goes first, goes into the middle. It's a normal braid. Then it's red's turn, goes in the middle. Then your orange. This is your first rotation. Let's go ahead and start the waterfall braid now. So yellow goes in the middle, then your red. We're going to start it. We're going to pick up your first blue to join your red. And the strand that's on the bottom, in this case it's orange, we're going to drop it. This is your waterfall. And instead, you're going to pick up your first pink. Your pink replaces your orange. We're letting it drop to create the waterfall. Let's keep moving. The strand on top is yellow. Yellow is going to go in the middle. We're going to pick up your top strand from the top of the head, which is now light blue, to join in the middle with the yellow. Your red strand with the blue strand is now going to drop. That's your waterfall. And you're going to pick up your next section along the head. In this case, it's light pink. Let's keep moving. Your next strand on top is pink. Pink is going to go in the middle. We're going to pick up hair from the head, dark blue. And here's your last original strand. Your yellow is now going to drop along with some of the light blue. And we're going to replace it with some dark pink. And we're going to keep going. So now that we remove the color-coded braiding wig cap, we're going to use our real hair. So on top right here would be your yellow, your orange, and your red. Along your sides would be your pinks. On top right here would be your blues. On the other side on top would be your purples. So now I'm going to pick up the hair from the top. I'm going to split it into 3 strands. Here you got your yellow, your orange, and your red. So let's go ahead and start the braiding. Yellow goes into the middle. Then your red goes in the middle. And now your orange is going into the middle. This is your first rotation. There goes your yellow in the middle. And now we're going to start picking up. Here's your red going into the middle, picking up from the top. On the wig cap, this is blue. And now we're going to drop the bottom strand. Instead of this strand joining into the middle, we're going to drop it to create the waterfall effect. And instead, we're going to replace it with hair along the head. This is the pink strand from the wig cap. And then we're going to keep going. This is your yellow strand going into the middle, or your top strand of your braid going into the middle. We're going to pick up hair from the top, which would be your light blue, to join it. We are now going to drop your red strand, which was joined with blue. We're going to drop it to create the waterfall braid. And instead, we're going to pick up hair from the head, which otherwise would have been pink, and we're going to weave it into the braid. Your top strand is going to go into the middle, pick up hair from the top to join it. And this bottom strand right here would be your last original strand. It would have been your yellow strand from up here. You drop it to create your waterfall, pick up hair from the side. This would have been your pink strand. Weave it into the braid, and let's keep going. Top strand goes into the middle. Pick up hair from the top. Drop your bottom strand to create the waterfall. Grab hair from the head instead to replace it. Let's do this one more time. Top strand goes into the middle. Picking up hair from the scalp. Dropping the bottom strand to create the waterfall. Picking up hair from the head instead. So when we're done, to pin it, you're going to grab that last strand that we brought into the middle, and instead you're going to make it go all the way to the top and creating this little belt. Where my finger is right here, I'm going to slide a bobby pin. And this is how you waterfall braid.